and also learn how to handle dynamic content using APIs. Plus, adding responsive design and modern UI features will take your portfolio to the next level. In this project, you will work with service workers for offline functionality, IndexedDB for local storage, and PWA manifest to make your app installable. With AI taking the world by storm, building an object detection app for photos and videos will not only highlight your front-end skills but also demonstrate your ability to work with machine learning in a creative way. The key feature of this application should be detect objects in real life from video streaming or upload images. So this project is bound to catch a recruiter's attention while giving you hands-on experience with AI-powered front-end development. Are you ready to take your front-end skills to the next level and land that dream job in 2025? With the tech world evolving faster than ever, you need projects in your portfolio that not only show off your skills, but also make you stand out in this competitive world. So in today's video, I'll share you 5 cutting-edge front-end projects you need to build in 2025 to impress the recruiters and showcase your expertise in modern development. And stick around till the end of this video because I have got a bonus project for you that's sure to blow your mind. So now let's dive in. So the first project is Advanced Portfolio Website. Let's take your portfolio beyond the basics and add some killer features that recruiters will love. You can include a dynamic blog section, a project showcase with filters by categories, even a dark light mode toggle to keep things modern. For easy content management, integrate a headless CMS like Straple and Contentful. And now you will ask, what you will learn after building this application. So you will master HTML, CSS and JavaScript and also learn how to handle dynamic content using APIs. Plus adding responsive design and modern UI features will take your portfolio to the next level. So the key features that you should include in your project is first of all a blog section where you can share your thoughts or tutorials, then filter section for showcasing projects by category or tech stack, a sleek dark and light mode to toggle for modern user experience, and the last one is the integration with the headless CMS for managing your content without touching the code. This is not just a portfolio, it is a statement of your front-end skills and attention to the details. Next, let's step into the future with a Web3 decentralized application. So blockchain is no longer just a buzzword, it is shaping the way we build apps. This project will teach you how to use libraries like Web3.js or Ethers.js to interact with blockchains and smart contracts. Think about creating a secure voting platform, a decentralized finance app, or even an NFT marketplace. So what you will learn in this project is like front-end frameworks like React, Vue, Angular for your UI, and wallet integration with tools like MetaMask, or how to connect your app to smart contracts written in Solidity. So the best part of this project is you will have a project that not only looks impressive but demonstrate your ability to work with cutting-edge technologies. The third on the list is a progressive web application for an e-commerce website. So progressive web applications combines the best of web and mobile apps, which is fast, responsive, and even offline ready. Imagine building an online store where users can shop even without an internet connection. Interesting, right? In this project, you will work with service workers for offline functionality, IndexedDB for local storage, and PWA manifest to make your app installable. So the key features of this projects are, which you are going to include into the applications, is offline access for browsing products and completing the purchase option. And second is like push notification for promotions of the new arrivals, and add to home screen functionality basically so that user can install the application on their local devices. So what this project basically shows that you can create a fast, reliable app and which works beautifully across devices, a must-have skills for the front-end developers in this today's world. Moving on, let's talk about interactive data dashboard. These are essential for industries like finance, marketing, and analytics. With this project, you will learn to use libraries like d3.js or chart.js to create stunning interactive charts and graphs. You will also practice fetching and processing real-time data through the APIs. So what you should include in this project, like key things are real-time data display, like livestock pricing or analytics, interactive data charts, filters and sorting options, responsive design, so your dashboard works on all the devices including mobile, tablet and laptop. So this project not only looks impressive but proves your ability to handle data and build user-friendly interface. Last but not least, let's explore a voice-controlled web application. Voice interfaces are becoming huge part of our digital lives with tools like Alexa and Google Assistant. Why not create a voice-activated app like a task manager, music player, or smart home controllers? You will learn to use the WebSocket Speech API for voice recognition and synthesis while ensuring your app is accessible to all the users. So the key features that you will include in these applications are voice commands for actions like adding tasks or playing music, real-time visual feedback for voice interaction, accessibility feature to make your app inclusive. And this project shows you are innovative and ready to tackle modern challenges in this web development. And as I promised, here is a bonus project for you, which is AI-based object detection using ML5.js. With AI taking the world by storm, building an object detection app for photos and videos will not only highlight your front-end skills but also demonstrate your ability to work with machine learning in a creative way. What you will learn: how to use ML5.js, a JavaScript library that simplifies machine learning for the web. Building a UI to display detected objects with labels and confidence score. Third one is handling image and video inputs dynamically. The key feature of this application should be detect objects in real life from video streaming or upload images. Showcase your ability to integrate AI features seamlessly into the web application. So this project is bound to catch a recruiter's attention while giving you hands-on experience with AI-powered front-end development. So that's all for today. So just let me know, so which of these projects are you most excited to build? Let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tips and project ideas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding.